So now we'll move to the next part. Okay, next story is also known to everybody. Okay, Surya exposes Rahu. This story is very popular story. Now what happens after the churning of ocean? We call Samudra Manthan. The nectar of immortality came out. Amrita, we call it. The gods and demons wanted it both. Both wanted to have the Amrit, the nectar. Then what happens? Everybody knows that Rahu disguised himself and quietly sat among the gods to drink the nectar. Although he knew that he did not belong to them, gods, but still he managed to disguise himself. The sun saw this particular all activities. The sun saw the fraud and pointed it out. Actually, this belongs to sun and moon both. When we study the moon, I will narrate the same story again. But right now, we discuss only sun. So sun pointed it out, this particular fraud. Rahu was exposed. Now understand the psychology here. Surya revealed the cheating, the fraud. Okay, but from that same moment, Rahu became the enemy of sun and started eclipsing him. Everybody know this. Okay, so this is one of the most important stories for the prediction. Because the single story tell you the whole secret of Sun and Rahu, the equation between Sun and Rahu. So what is the hidden meaning behind this story? The Sun stands for truth, legitimacy, authority, law, and rightful order. What is Rahu? We know Rahu stands for disguise, ambition, manipulation, crossing boundaries. What else? Rahu is smoke, illusion, foreigners, foreign country. And Rahu is one more important thing. Rahu is the hunger without limits. So whenever Sun and Rahu combine together in one chart, one house in any horoscope, or Rahu heavily afflict the Sun by any manner, then several things can happen. The person may expose corruption and then suffer backslash. You can verify this thing. Okay, whenever Sun and Rahu are connected, the person may expose corruption.
सर इज वेरी ट्रू, ये मेरे साथ हो चुका है.
हो चुका है ना? Yes. So at the moment they face backlash, or the person himself may struggle between truth and image, or the father may have controversy, some controversy related to the father. If not you, then your father. Or career may involve politics, PR, media, manipulation, reputation, games especially, fraud detection, intelligence work, public scandal. They can work in these domains. Are you understanding this? These all things we are decoding from the small story only. A small incident. Okay, so this combination sometimes creates a life where visibility and controversy come together. Understand, Sun is visibility, controversy is Rahu. So whenever they connect together in chart, so what we can expect? The same Sun Rahu gives you many other things, like the native wants recognition, but trust issue follow. The person wants to stand out, but accusation, misunderstanding always near to them. He may become famous suddenly, okay, but image management becomes a major theme for them. He may expose someone. Yeah, one more thing. He may expose someone and then pay the price for speaking truth. The same thing, what Sun experienced with Rahu. So now, this predictive technique is clear. The exposure rule, we call it. So whenever Sun is afflicted by Rahu, you can ask these some questions. Okay, when you read horoscope, who got exposed, who is wearing mask, like who is hiding. You know them. Okay, you know that this person is not good. He is fraud and all. And you can also ask them, did truth create your enemies? Whenever you speak truth, you create enemies.
Sir, is Rahu more powerful than Sun?
No, it's not. It's not about powerful. It's about the combination, or whenever they both combine. Otherwise, Sun is very powerful. There's no powerful than Sun. Because Sun is a king. The problem is whenever they come together, especially when Rahu afflicts Sun. Now, if you don't know what is the meaning of affliction, then it will take time. Okay, don't worry. We will cover that topic soon. Huh? But for now, at least you can underline this part, affliction. Okay, so it will be in your mind. So we'll
Yes.
discuss. Okay.
So even when Rahu is Sun is in higher in degree than Rahu.
Sun is higher degree than Rahu. Yes, then see, degrees have nothing to do with the strength and all. Okay, it is just like Sun is moving ahead of Rahu. Okay, it will create events slightly different. So maybe in some class we can discuss these things. How degree matters. Okay, sometimes Rahu is ahead, sometimes Sun is ahead. Then there is a difference between these two predictions. Okay, but for now you take it generalized. Okay, if they both are together, then these things are possible. What we are discussing. Like for example, let's say very popular combination Sun Rahu in 10th house can give public controversy. Okay, can give public controversy. When I say public controversy, it means there is a possibility. If no public controversy, then it will give you unusual career. The career that is not chosen by everybody. Political games, false allegation, and Sun and Rahu in 10th house, but in good sign, then you can experience sudden fame overnight. You must have seen some people in Instagram, they become famous overnight. You check their charts, the maximum chart, you will see Sun and Rahu closely connected to the 10th house. Due to one song, they become famous overnight. So Rahu is involved. Rahu involvement is must. Sun Rahu. Sun Rahu in first house. Very important thing. Sun Rahu in first house can give identity confusion. What is the meaning of identity confusion? Anybody explain?
Sir, say it again. Question.
Identity confusion. What is the meaning of identity confusion? Sun in the first house gives
With
identity
Rahu.
confusion.
With Rahu.
Okay. Yes, Sun Rahu.
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of identity confusion?
Sir, because the confidence will be go up and down, and then the personality will be like a split kind of personality, and confusion in the personality because of Rahu. It will give the the illusion, confusion, less confidence, instability in mind, something like
Okay.
that.
There's one more thing to it, strong desire to be seen. Okay.
So
And then
person lives
Right.
in illusion. The person
Right.
lives in illusion and unlimited desires.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely,
Yes.
you are right, sir. Identity because of to be seen. Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay, Sun Rahu in 9th house. Sun Rahu 9th house can show the conflict with father. Very simple. Sun Rahu
And
9th
dharma
house.
also, sir. And dharma also. Person change his religion or go to other religion.
Religion,
Sometimes
ideology.
yeah.
Ideology. Okay, public morality. Guru. Conflict with father or guru. Sun Rahu in 7th house can show spouse image issues. Okay, same thing. Like in first house, own image problem. In 7th house, spouse image problem.
Multiple relations, sir. Because Sun is debilitated over here, there, and Rahu is there, and Prabhav of Shukra is always there. Because of that, person goes in multiple relationships, and
So
sometimes
Arunji,
problem with the
there is
spouse.
one correction. Sun, Rahu in 7th house, Sun is not in debilitation. So in 7th house, Sun is never
Directional,
debilitated.
directional wise, sir. Directional strength. Because
Yeah,
seventh house,
they will lose this turn. Yeah, we can say that, but
yeah,
not.
directional strength is not there. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so partner from unusual background, that is okay, ego battles in marriage. Yeah, see, wherever you put Sun Rahu, okay, so identity crisis from that particular house you have to use. It's simple as that. If it is 7th house, then spouse. If it is first house, you yourself. If 9th house, then your father. Let me move to the next topic. Okay, this particular story is clear, I think, everybody. Okay, there's one more important thing that is missing from this story is the cost of truth. There's one more rule there. The cost of truth. What is the meaning of it? Sometimes Sun Rahu does not mean liar. Okay, people say Sun Rahu means liar. It is not liar. Okay, so it means the person suffers because he told the truth. And this is very important point to remember. If you understand the police, the person who work in defense or police department and who catches mafia and a terrorist, notable terrorist and all, you check their horoscope, you will find Sun and Rahu connection very clearly. The person who challenges fake guru, they also have Sun and Rahu. The child who always point out hypocrisy in the family, they also have Sun and Rahu connection. Are you understanding this? So when I say Sun Rahu connection, it can be placed in same house or in 1/7 axis. Rahu placed in Leo sign, then Rahu is connected to Sun only, who is positive. So in all cases, you can see these results. Always understand whatever I'm explaining, the prediction must depend on dignity, house, dasha, and other factors. So what kind of truth? See, planet also plays its role. If Jupiter is connected with Sun, the Sun Rahu and Jupiter is there, then truth becomes dharmic courage. If Saturn is connected with this combination, then truth becomes legal exposure. After delay, obviously. Okay, so like this, you need to use these principles. Okay,